Breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I calm my body. Breathing in, I embrace the present moment. Breathing out, I celebrate all that I am and all that I can be. Beautiful queen, you can do extraordinary things. Have you ever had those days when you're not feeling your best? Those days when you question your own inner prowess. You question your power. You question your capabilities. I've been there many, many, many times. And recently, I found myself back there again. I've been hired to educate on mental wellness. And there is an individual with a PhD critiquing my script. And all of those yellow marks just reminded me of being in school when the teacher made all those red marks. Anybody ever had those red marks? I was not good in school. And I'm the author of 4 books and 3 ebooks and 3 CDs and you name it. I produce all day, every day. And we call these thinking traps. We all have them. And one thinking trap that was coming up was personalization. I was starting to take it personal. And it was creating a mental barrier, hindering my ability to create. So what did I do? I began to use my tools. I went in my mind's eye and I began to affirm myself. Only 2.5% of coaches who've applied were even contracted with this company. I began to affirm. When I was in 6th grade, my English teacher gave me this type of journal. And I've been writing ever since. I can write as well as I breathe. I began to build myself up where there were cracks in my confidence. I began to say, this is a learning opportunity because the ego rejects correction, but humility embraces it. It accepts it. This is my opportunity to expand. This is my opportunity to be stretched. And I just began to focus on what was possible. I went into my gratitude jar and pulled out all the many things that I've experienced over the past 6 years. Miraculous occurrences. Beautiful queen, you can do extraordinary things. I sat back at my desk and I began to write, remembering why I write in the first place. And that is to heal. That is to help. That is to bring individuals into a greater awareness of who they are. To move beyond where they've been to where they can go. And the words began to flow. So wherever you are, if you are battling imposter syndrome, if you are battling self-doubt, I want you to remember who you are. Remember the power that you possess. Remember that you can ascend from within and win again and again and again and again. This is merely a test. Know that the hardest steel is forged in the hottest fire. You were made for this. You were created for this. 2 things that I'm working on right now. I'm excited. I'm constantly building myself up, but I've just purchased a new journal. It's a gratitude journal with prompts. I love it. The Gratitude Sidekick Journal. And they have challenges. And each day you get a challenge. And then on the right side, they ask questions. What am I grateful for today? What message do I need to remind myself of today? What experience am I grateful for, but I'm glad that it was over? Why do I judge myself so harshly? And then there is an action of the day. Today's action is spend time or at least call someone you know who admires you and find gratitude for their respect. And I just ordered a fitness tracker. I'm excited to track my sleep, everything, my whole life, right? So I want you to continue to eat healthy, breathe deeply, practice kindness, love freely, enjoy your life, be better, be better. Be a better version of you today than you were yesterday. Know that I'm always thinking of you, even with a full plate. I love you.